Are you trying to conceive naturally but finding intercourse difficult because of timing, stress, performance anxiety, or medical reasons? The Malpani Baby Kit may be a simple solution that can help selected couples conceive in the privacy and comfort of their own home. Before I explain how it works, please scan the QR code on your screen to learn more about your fertility options. Please share your questions in the comments and I will be happy to answer them. I make a point to reply to all queries on my YouTube channel. The Malpani Baby Kit is designed for home insemination. Instead of relying only on intercourse, the husband collects a semen sample in a sterile container. The specially designed syringe supplied in the kit is then used to gently place the semen near the cervix. This increases the chances that healthy sperm reach the uterus, especially during the woman's fertile window. This method can be particularly useful for couples who have difficulty having intercourse because of erectile dysfunction, vaginismus, premature ejaculation, disability, or simply because they live apart and have very little time together. It also reduces the pressure many couples feel when they are told to have intercourse on specific days. Removing this stress can actually make the journey much easier. The baby kit is easy to use, completely private, painless, and inexpensive. It is not a substitute for IVF or IUI when those treatments are medically necessary, but for carefully selected couples with normal fertility or mild problems, it can be an excellent first step before moving on to more complex and expensive treatments. Remember, timing is extremely important. The insemination should ideally be done around ovulation to maximize the chances of success. If you are unsure about your fertile window or have been trying unsuccessfully for over a year or over 6 months, if the woman is above 35, you should consult a fertility specialist for a proper evaluation. The right treatment always depends on the correct diagnosis. Sometimes a simple solution is all that is needed. Please share your questions in the comments and I will be happy to answer them. I make a point to reply to all queries on my YouTube channel.